come close. I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.
Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing wonderful. You are joining me on what is a Monday for me. It is currently 8:45 in the morning. I haven't done the school run this morning because the boys have been at their dad's all weekend, and yeah, I'm really missing them. I didn't get to spend Mother's Day with them either, which is fine, but today I want to do something nice when I go and pick them up from school. So I was thinking one of the things they love, and we haven't done it for ages, is when we have like a movie night in the living room. Archie in particular will absolutely love it if I make it all cozy and get snacks, and I might even do some like DIY tickets, which I've done before, because him in particular, because he's the youngest, will just love that. And yeah, I just want to spend some time with them, and I'm going to see what's on Sky Store movies to see what maybe we can watch that we've not seen, because I always feel like we've just seen everything, or it's hard to find a film that sort of it's going to interest my eldest, who's 12, and then Archie, who's 8. Dill's still in the middle, so Dill can go. Dill's pretty laid back anyway, but he can go for like either way. But sometimes, yeah, some things are too grown up or too babyish. So I'm going to have a look to see what kind of film we can watch later. I'm going to also go to Home Bargains and get movie snacks, because you obviously have to have all the snacks, and I'm going to try and make the living room nice and cozy. So yeah, that's my plan for today. I need to go and put their bed covers on actually, because I always have this thing of just liking to make their bedrooms like nice and fresh for when they get back from their dad. So I'm going to go and do that, and then I'm going to head out to Home Bargains and hopefully get everything that I need for later. I also need to do some other like boring jobs, so yeah, I'm going to start by putting the bed covers on, because they should be dry now, because I literally just went round the house last night putting all of because I did like quite a late wash with the bed covers, so I was just putting them on top of all the doors, so like all around the house, and it's dried all the sheets. So yeah, I'm going to go and do the fun job of putting bedding on a bunk bed, top bunk. It's not my favourite job.
Coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes, when I'll be coming home, and I am on my way. When I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play.
Okay, there's been a change of plan. I'm going to go to B&M now because my sister's coming with me, so generally it's a bigger shop as well, so there'll be more snack choices there, and I need to get a few other bits, always. I've got these out to use for later. I made these in a video, actually. I did put them in a video with my Cricut machine, and I put all the boys' names on all of these movie night accessories. So I did them a bowl each, which just say their name and then snacks. These pudding bowls, I think they were from Home Bargains, and they're a good snack bowl because they're nice and big and deep. And then I got these trays, I think I got them from the Works, and again, used my Cricut machine to add like stars and things, and these do get used a lot. So they've got one of those each. I also did a little snack station sign, so cute. I've got my little, what are these called? Clapper boards? I don't know what it's called, but I can always write on the film on there. I've got a couple of popcorn boxes and things, but yeah, I'm going to use these for tonight. And then what I'm going to do now, I think I'm going to set up this area for, let me turn the TV off. Yeah, I think I'm going to turn all this area now, well, best I can, into just like a cozy area here. If I just bring down some throws and things and just try and make it like a nice cozy area for us to sit later. And then I'm going to put all of the snacks and things on the desk. But yeah, I'm going to give it a hoover and then make it a cozy little spot. Well, making the kids' beds this morning was a bit of a pointless thing, seeing as I brought it all downstairs for this. I've also just made some very DIY movie tickets very quickly, but I'm gonna go to B&M now and get all the supplies. Okay, so I did end up going to Home Bargains as well as B&M because B&M just was not doing what it was supposed to do today. It wasn't giving me what I needed. But I did get a lot of snacks from there. I've got some Starburst, salted caramel M&Ms, some Munchies, and some Skittles. I probably bought far too much, but it's better to have too much, isn't it? Sweet and salted popcorn, a massive bag of that. Some Pringles, and some Popworks. Oh, and I also got some Fanta. I decided when I was in Home Bargains, because I just saw these and thought that'd be nice to give them new pyjamas for tonight as well. And luckily they had all of their sizes. So yeah, they're just these 2-pack of skate pyjamas with the long sleeves, which my boys always preferred, than a t-shirt. So I'm going to lay them out as well, a pair each for them. Might even make a match, which I'm sure Toby will be really pleased about, matching with his brothers, but I think it's really cute. But yeah, £10, so £5 a pair. They've got a lot of good clothes coming in Home Bargains. The one I go in doesn't normally have clothing, but they're starting to make room for more, so it's handy actually. And then I also got these from Home Bargains. I nearly bought some from B&M. They were like £3.50, but I'm so glad I put them back and then saw what was in there, because these ones are much better. They were only £1.29 or something like that, and they had different colours, so I thought I'll get one of each colour and then they won't forget whose is whose either. I also got some little Pop-It packs, some minty ones. This was always, I remember choosing these a lot when I was a kid. Like, this was my little choice from the shop, these mint Pop-Its. And the toffee ones and salted caramel ones. And then I just got a few treats for tea from Home Bargains. So I just thought I'd do the classic sort of cinema stuff of hot dogs. We're going to have some spicy chicken wings and pizza, all that unhealthy stuff. And also I've got some salsa for the crisps. So I'm going to set up a little snack station, I think, because the day is disappearing. Always happens. Also, whilst I was in Home Bargains, I got a new, it's not exciting really, tripod. Yeah, just for my phone, because my phone tripod snapped, and I use my phone to film a lot of things for Instagram, just reels and stuff, so it's always handy to have one. This one comes with a ring light. It was more than I wanted to pay. That was like £25 because I didn't really need a ring light, but I guess I'll probably find it quite helpful to have that on there. Let's hope it's a good one, because I've been putting loads more on my Instagram lately. I've been making more of an effort to upload things on there. So make sure you are following me if you have Instagram, because mine is Carly Elizabeth_X. It should be quite straightforward, because I might do a little reel of this as well for the gram. What do you think, Rue? It's better than my last one. Oh, I hate things like this. Is it like this? Oh. How to do this? Honestly, simple things. Does that go on there? That goes on there, obviously, doesn't it? So what's that bit for? Okay, no, that's supposed to be on there, isn't it? That's that. Where does that go? What? I hate looking at instructions. Ow! Got it. Very straightforward, actually, Rue. It's very straightforward. Easy. We got it. Okay. Right, I have picked up Dylan and Archie from school. Just waiting for Toby to come home now, because he's always later. Even though he doesn't finish school that much later, but he's just like slow with his mates coming home. I put the pizza and the chicken in. I'm going to make hot dogs as well. I think I'm going to give them their pyjamas. I've not actually let them in the living room, so they don't even know that we're having this little treat. But I'm going to give them their new pyjamas to put on, and yeah, and then we'll pick a film. There's a couple on the Sky store. They're just so expensive. It really like, I feel like I pay so much already, but I know there's a couple they want to watch, like the Wonka one and Migration, I think it is. It's an animated one. So I'll see what they want to watch, see what's a good all-rounder, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to just a nice chilled evening with them, because I've missed them all so much this weekend. So yeah, can't wait.
Hello. Is it ready to go down?
Nearly. I got new pyjamas for you to put on first. We are ready. One ticket.
Yes.
Thank you. Tickets. Guys, so I'm just editing today's video, and I didn't actually film an outro because we put the film on. I fell asleep halfway through it because I was so cozy in my little area that I'd created, And then yeah, I just didn't pick the camera back up again, but we had such a nice evening. The kids really enjoyed it. I actually think I prefer doing things like that than going to the actual cinema. Me and my sister were talking about this, like being in the comfort of your own home, not being with a load of other people and not having to take kids off to the toilet every 2 seconds and not paying like £500. So yeah, it was really a good after school activity to do. I feel like it's hard to keep all three of them like in the same spot for a couple of hours, so it was nice quality time. And also Toby was there, I just don't really film him because he's at an age where he doesn't want to be on camera. But yeah, we had a really lovely evening. We watched Wonka, which apart from when I fell asleep at the end, was really good. Really enjoyed it, and they all enjoyed it, so it was a good one for like all of their ages. But yeah, that's where I'm going to end today's video, so I hope that you enjoyed it. Little family evening vlog, and yeah, I would love it if you came back again for my next one. Bye everyone.